What's up, music fans? Big news coming out of the dancehall world today, and it's not the kind we usually celebrate. Jamaican dancehall artist Squash, known for hits like Lavish and Trending, has just admitted guilt in a U.S. court to serious firearm charges. This is a developing story with major implications for his career. For those unfamiliar, Squash, whose real name is Andrae Maurice Whittaker, was facing charges related to illegal firearm possession, along with being in the U.S. unlawfully. Specifically, he confessed to being found with a loaded Glock 19 handgun during a traffic stop in Miami Beach back in February. He also admitted to entering the United States without legal authorization in January of 2021. Now, here's where it gets interesting. A plea deal was made public on Friday. In exchange for his guilty plea on these charges, prosecutors have agreed to drop a separate, even more serious charge involving an automatic weapon. This is a significant development, but it's not without its consequences. Under this agreement, Squash is required to pay a $100 fee at sentencing. However, the potential penalties are much steeper. He could face up to 15 years behind bars, followed by 3 years of supervised release, and a possible fine of up to $250,000. While prosecutors are expected to recommend a lighter sentence, the final decision rests solely with the judge. And here's the kicker. The plea agreement explicitly states that this conviction qualifies as a deportable offense. This means Squash may be removed from the U.S. once his sentencing is complete. As of now, no sentencing date has been scheduled, so we'll be keeping a close eye on this story. This is a major blow to Squash's career and certainly a somber moment for dancehall fans worldwide. What are your thoughts on this situation? Let us know in the comments below what you think about Squash's plea deal and what this means for his future. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more breaking music news, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.